Paper plays an important role in many of the products we use every day. It's light, easily storable, and reusable. How is paper made in an era that demands everything be as sustainable as possible? April has the capacity to produce 2.8 million tons of pulp and 1.15 million tons of paper annually. April operates in the city of Pangkalan Kerinci, Palawan Regency, Riau Province. We are committed to operating sustainably. Each part of our papermaking process is in line with policies on sound environmental management. Pulp and paper is produced using acacia and eucalyptus trees as raw materials from plantations which are spread across 5 districts in Riau Province that grow 200 million seedlings per year. April operates 4 central nurseries, which are integrated with the Research and Development Department to grow the best tree seedlings in our plantations. In papermaking, there are 3 key processes. The first process is pulping. Harvested trees are transported from the plantation to the woodyard mill area. The wood is put into the debarking machine to remove its bark, which cannot be used in papermaking. Bark and byproducts are utilized as fuel to produce electricity used in factories and villages. Subsequently, the logs are washed, cut into small pieces, and cooked in a digester. Lignin is a fiber adhesive substance in the wood, and the cooking process dissolves this lignin substance, resulting in pulp. The next process is to whiten the pulp. The white pulp is dried and packaged in a pulp dryer. This dried pulp is made into sheet form for easy shipping. Pulp is a raw material for derivative products such as paper, cardboard, and tissue. The water used for washing logs is filtered before being reused to wash other logs. This step is carried out to reduce water usage. April has invested in water recycling and sophisticated processing facilities to minimize environmental impact. The next step is for pulp to go through the second process, papermaking. The mixture of pulp, water, and chemicals is pumped into the head box, which comes out through a horizontal gap in the surface of the filter, which moves at a speed of 80 to 90 kilometers per hour. Here, the fibers spread and form thin sheets, a process which is called sheet formation. These sheets are put into a processing machine where 50% of their water content is squeezed out. Later, the paper is dried using several metal cylinders at a temperature of around 100 degrees Celsius. The final process is finishing. After the drying process, the surface of the paper is coated with compound to improve paper quality. Another drying process is carried out to form a roll of paper measuring 8.6 meters in width. After that, the paper roll is cut into paper sheets, which are tailored to customer needs. Finally, this cut paper is packaged and shipped to the buyers. April produces a variety of pulp and paper products, upholding our commitment to provide the best products to our customers while safeguarding the environment.